Hey everybody, welcome. This is Joy of Joy Morris Beauty, and I'm giving you an update on my hair. I've been wearing the Freetress Ringlet wine curl now for about 3 weeks, so I just wanted to let you know how it's been going. So subscribe and stay tuned. So I am no stranger to the Freetress Ringlet wine curl hair. I've actually been wearing it for several years now, which I described in the video that I uploaded where I went through like a step-by-step tutorial or installation process to show you how I put the hair in. So I have like a little bit of a routine that works for me and that helps me kind of get through about a good month or so of wear with the hair while keeping it fresh. And so like I said, I've bought this hair over and over again. I literally order boxes of this hair online and just keep it on standby in my house so that I always have like hair with me, so I can always whip out a hairstyle if I need to. I love the ringlet wine curl hair. So it's been working out for me. It has worked out for me many months in prior when I've worn it before. I uploaded another video showing how I kind of maintain the hair. What I didn't get to discuss in depth was how I wash it. So yeah, I've had this in for about 3 weeks. I'm going into the 4th week. I have washed it twice. So what I do when I wash my hair is I use a bottle like this, and for my shampoo and my conditioner, and I'll squirt a little in the bottom and then dilute it with water. Then that'll let me get like right to my scalp, so I can squeeze the product into my scalp and kind of suds it up. And then to wash the length, like the actual crochet hair, which is not real hair, but you know, you should still wash it because it gets dirty. It can collect odors and things like that. You know, anything that's dirty can collect an odor. I actually use Suave shampoo and conditioner. I like to use a strawberry one because I like the scent. So when I suds up my scalp with my more higher quality, or I should say with my more expensive shampoo, then I'll use a Suave on the crochet hair and I just kind of scrunch it like this. And I do the same for the conditioner. Something I do when I let the product air dry is I'll go through all of that maintenance that I showed in the other video. But then after I've had hair in for a couple weeks, I usually will actually put some fresh hair on top of it just to help it look kind of like how it did more so when I first installed it. So let me see. These couple pieces, this piece, I think this piece was one I put in this weekend. A couple of ones over here like kind of framing my face. And then also with crochet braids, you know, like the actual braids of your scalp, they'll kind of loosen up. They'll either, between them loosening up and them growing, it'll kind of start to create spacing. So I'll actually go back through this area and add like a couple of invisible parts just to kind of like help it look more like it did when I first did it. So I tend to do that type of maintenance about once a week or so to keep it looking fresh until I'm ready to take it down. But I'm someone who, you know, I love the wine curl hair. I've worn it quite a bit. It's very light, which is really important for me right now because I'm growing out damaged hair, which I've detailed in another video. My hair has been falling out due to a bad relaxer, so I'm trying not to put too much stress on it until I grow it out a little bit more. So the fact that this hair is so light is what really is kind of helping me out right now. The one thing about this hair to keep in mind is when you're taking a shower, you don't want and you're washing it, like sudsing it up, you don't want the hair to be the water to be too hot, because if it's too hot, it's not real hair. It'll actually kind of loosen the curls. And hey, if you do want to loosen the curls, then that's something to keep in mind. If you do put in a hair that's too tight and you want to loosen it, hot water will kind of like loosen those curls. But if that's not what you want, then you want to make sure to use lukewarm water. But I just put on a satin bonnet at night. I fluff it in the morning. My hair is very coarse, so I have to do a lot of maintenance work trying to get my edges to lay down because they don't want to lay down. That's not how they're not coded to lay down, so I have to make them lay down. So that's probably where some of the work comes in for me, just trying to kind of keep my edges you know, laid down. But outside of that, this is like really great low maintenance hair. It'd be great vacation hair. That was actually the first time I wore it on vacation to Atlanta with my husband and my son. We went to go see my sister, and that was the first time that I actually worn this hair. And I was nervous because it looks like, you know, it does look like real hair that has been spiral curled or like wand curled. So I was nervous that like I'd lay on it and then the curls would flatten and different things like that. None of that happened. But I spent the whole vacation being afraid that I'd wake up and it'd be all like flat. None of that happened at all. You just wake up in the morning and just kind of shake it out. And it's right there with you. So like I said, the one mistake I made in the beginning was using too hot of water to wash it, and it did kind of flatten it out. But you know, I share that with you so you don't have to make that same mistake. But I'm still loving this hair. You know, I'll probably wear it for another maybe week or two and then swap it out, either put the same hair in or a different style of hair. I haven't decided yet. But you know, if you're trying to look for a type of crochet hair to try, if you're new to crochet hair, or if you've never used a wand curl hair, you may want to try it out. It comes in a lot of different colors, and it has not failed me yet. So just kind of my tip for me to you, the wand curl hair is like excellent crochet hair to try out. You can't go wrong with it. So definitely, yes, go pick it up and enjoy. And enjoy. And check out some of my other videos that I have related to wand curl, my installation video, my maintenance video for how I maintain it. And then also, like I said, I have a video where I detail about my hair falling out right now, unfortunately, something I'm kind of dealing with, growing my hair back from scratch. So check those videos out too. And if you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave them below. Thank you so much for watching, and for wonderful hair and beauty tips, make sure to subscribe. Take care. Bye-bye.